Have you ever felt like this? You want a better life. You imagine success. You tell yourself, one day everything will change. But when the moment to act comes, you wait. You say, not today, tomorrow. If you are full of dreams but slow to act, this story is for you. In a quiet town near a wide river, a young man named Kamal lived. Kamal was 26 years old. He was intelligent, healthy, and hopeful. Every evening, he spoke proudly to his friends. One day, Kamal said, "I will open the biggest shop in this town. People will know my name. I will live a comfortable life." People listened and nodded. They believed Kamal had big dreams, but they also noticed one thing. Kamal loved talking more than working. When others woke up early, Kamal slept longer. When shop owners opened their doors, Kamal stayed home planning. When work was hard, Kamal said, "I will start soon." He planned his future every day, but he delayed his effort every day too. One afternoon, Kamal's grandmother came to visit him. She was old, calm, and very wise. She looked around his small, empty room and asked gently, "Kamal, my son, where is the life you talk about? I hear big dreams, but I see no work." Kamal smiled and replied, "Don't worry, Grandma. I have time. I will begin tomorrow." His grandmother said nothing. Instead, she reached into her bag and brought out 2 candles. She placed them on the table and said, "The first candle is called purpose. If you light it every day, it will guide you and give warmth." She then pointed to the second candle. "This one is called delay. It lights itself easily, but it fills the room with smoke and darkness." "Both candles are yours," she said. "Which one you use will decide your future." Kamal nodded confidently. "I choose purpose," he said. But the next morning, Kamal felt lazy. "I will light it tomorrow," he thought. Days passed. Out of curiosity, he lit both candles once, then forgot them. He returned to his habits, sleeping late, dreaming big, doing nothing. One evening, Kamal entered his room and stopped in fear. The candle of delay had burned wildly. Smoke covered the walls. The air was heavy. The candle of purpose was almost gone, small, weak, and fading. His grandmother returned and said softly, "This room is your life. Purpose needs daily effort to stay bright. Delay grows without permission and slowly destroys everything." Kamal felt ashamed. For the first time, he understood. Dreams alone change nothing. Only action gives them life. That night, Kamal made a decision. The next morning, before sunrise, he cleaned his room. He opened a small stall. He worked even when tired. Every day, step by step, he chose purpose. Years later, Kamal became successful, not because of luck, but because he stopped waiting. Dear listener, this story is not only about Kamal, it is about you. Inside you are 2 forces, action and delay. One builds your future, the other quietly steals it. Do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Because dreams need action to survive. If this story inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Temmy Tales in English. Each week, we share meaningful stories designed to guide you, strengthen your mindset, and support you on your personal journey.